Hi, this is Marcus Fox again. Hi, how you doing? Um, I'm trying to come up with ideas so people can stay, protected during these hard times during the coronavirus. I came up with another way to make kind of like a breathing thing if you're sick, um, so you don't spread it. Let me grab my scissors. This is kind of one that I'm not a professional. I don't really know, but I'm just making assumptions. Um, and I would like someone to actually test this theory. But my theory is that if you get you can get a 2-liter bottle. I have a milk jug handy that's at home. I think that we can make a breathing device with this, and this is how I wanted to make it. If you're sick and you can't stop coughing and you don't have a way to make a mask, or you just have the ability to cough into a device, or if you just want to protect yourself from breathing okay, so you can cough into this, and in order to protect it from going everywhere around your vicinity, I believe that if you get a magic eraser or a rag or anything that's going to be able to go into this bottle, I recommend you make a hole that covers your nose to kind of measure your face. But stick the magic eraser in here and maybe not as tight. Loose. Make sure it's loose a little bit, because then you can breathe through this magic eraser. I'm trying to brainstorm different ways to make devices that will help people stay safe during these times. But as you can see right here, you actually can breathe with the magic eraser on the end, and it filters out what I'm assuming would be coronavirus or any type of flu viruses. If you coughing, I think the more make sure it's securely on here, but you don't want it too tight. So right there it was a little bit tighter, so I'll be able to breathe it, and you can even add this on to where it's barely on, so that you can actually breathe. You can tighten it around your nose like that, and you can actually make it softer with maybe some fabric. But some of it was kind of like a little bit sharper around the face. But like right there, squeeze it a little bit to fit your face. Or at least you want to cough into it. If it gets to where the oxygen is not going through enough, you can like cough into it, like. But you want to make sure it seals on your face to where nothing goes out around the public. And you can put a fabric around here, a real like cotton fabric, to prevent it from actually any type of flu-like symptom or flu viruses going out of your area. So it actually prevents it from like coughing into it. If you had that seal right here, then you actually would. Oh shoot. Well, you should probably put the seal around there to make sure you don't cut your face like I just did. But typically, in emergency situations, the best thing to do would be to seal this off with some fabric and to protect your face, because apparently it was a little sharp, but like that. Perfect. So make sure you put the fabric, because otherwise you'll end up like me. But put the fabric around it. Maybe a T-shirt from the one you cut earlier. One earlier video I made about how to make a mask. So yeah, thank you.